Let's go. Got it almost. Yeah. Whoa, there's a big piece inside, guys. Let's use this from the little egg, guys. You remember? This is what it comes out. Just the slime, like the same. Just the same slime, but in a bigger package. That means more of this gooey slime is inside. Okay? Let's take this gooey thing out and put it in there. It looks like snot. Somebody made to amazing it. Was blue snot. Well, let's take it out. It's so disgusting. Ugh. Everything was cleaned. I found the body, guys, out of the slime. But it's not so good slime. It's like the other slime. I'm trying to get everything in my hand. And for that, and it's not so good slime. It's sticky slime. It's bad slime. Look, guys, it's really gooey. And it's sticky. Stick. Yeah. And you can stretch it, guys. Look how stretchy it is. But don't stretch it a lot. Oh, the sound is so nasty. And it's not good slime. It's so sticky and everywhere. And that's why I'm going to put it back in the egg. So gooey and everything. But it's why it's still sticky. I'm going to open this one. This is the almost last package because I got still this one to open. But and at the end I put it together. And after I'm going to clean this up, all that mess and everything. Let's take the other one of the other package. Let's pour it in. It's like a block. So jelly. Let's pop that out. I'm trying to pull out all of the goo you have in his mouth. Because you have goo in his mouth. Why are you eating goo? It's not possible to eat goo. He's eating all this goo, guys. Look, and he's spitting it out. He's like spitting it out, guys. I'm spitting it out. Yeah, that's enough, guys. As you see, yeah, this is the dinosaur head, guys. Look how funny it is, and it's really nice. But yeah, this tortilla of this thing is not so nice. It's so gooey and everything. And now we're going to open the last package. This is the last package, guys. And as you look, yeah, then we got everything. Then we got the body of the gill slime, what we get. Yeah, the body of the gill slime we got. And yeah, now the last package. And the last package. This is of the little egg, and now we're going to do this one. Let's see what's inside. What? Whoa, this slime is so good. Look, guys, you got a tail. There's some slime dropping on the ground. Dog cannot have it. Pick it up. Yeah. See, this is good slime, guys. It's really good and stretchy. Oh yeah, I was forgetting the last thing what you need from the dinosaur, I think. Yeah, this is the last piece from the dinosaur. I'm trying to take all the slime out. Oh yeah, finally it worked. Look guys, now let's put the dinosaur together. Let's see, where's it goes still? I think here. No. Oh yeah, that's going to tell. Am I going to turn it or something? Yeah. See, I'm going to clean a little bit all of this mess. Let's put it all in the way. Look. And this is, yeah, all of the mess was over. But now let's put the dinosaur together. Must be very gooey and everything. What's that fitting? Is on the other side? No. I'm trying to put this together. I'm going to put this together. I see you in 5 minutes. Okay? Look guys, this is the dinosaur what I built in 5 minutes. It's so amazing. Wow, it's a T-Rex. And we got the other dinosaur of the little egg. And here we got the little animals. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 animals. 7 animals. Because this doesn't count. 7 animals. Got 7 animals. Got a lot of slime. That I like. And this one is really good, stretchy enough. And this is really good slime. I mixed it with the egg a little bit. It's really good slime. I like this slime a lot. And if you want to see in the next video, spam it down below what I need to buy next video of this. Because this is going to be a show in my movie actually. But let's do this, guys. I don't know this, guys. Let's do it. What must it be? Let's do it with the eggshell. I hope you like this new series of the dinosaurs and everything. Goodbye! And now you're going to check this out. Little dinosaurs. Bye! Hope you like the video with the mystery eggs. You need still on my YouTube channel. You need to watch and subscribe. Then you can see more of these videos with the dragon and everything. And let me know here down below what I need to do the next time. Okay? Let me know here down below. Bye! And like on my YouTube channel. And what you also need to subscribe down below. As if you like what I'm going to do with the new show and everything, so you know, as you like it, let me know here also down below. Bye.